Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about nutrition myths. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's get started. 1. High-fat foods are unhealthy. It is true that excessive consumption of certain types of high-fat foods can contribute to health issues. It's essential to distinguish between different types of fats and understand their impact on the body. Balanced diets. The key lies in maintaining a balanced diet. Healthy fats are essential for various bodily functions, including hormone production and nutrient absorption. The focus should be on incorporating the right types and amounts of fats into a well-rounded diet. Caloric considerations. It's important to be mindful of overall caloric intake. High-fat foods are often calorie-dense, and excessive calorie consumption can contribute to weight gain and associated health issues. 2. Carbs are always bad for you. Carbohydrates are a crucial energy source. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide essential nutrients and fiber. It's refined and processed carbs that should be limited. 3. Skipping meals helps with weight loss. Skipping meals often leads to overeating later. Regular, balanced meals support metabolism and weight management. The notion that skipping meals contributes to weight loss is a common misconception. In reality, this practice can have adverse effects on your overall health and weight management. 4. Eating late at night causes weight gain. It's the overall caloric intake that matters. Eating at night doesn't inherently lead to weight gain. It's about what and how much you eat throughout the day. 5. All protein supplements are equal to real food. While protein supplements can be convenient, they don't provide the same range of nutrients as whole foods. It's best to get nutrients from a variety of sources. 6. Egg yolks should be avoided. Egg yolks are rich in nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They don't significantly impact cholesterol for most people and can be part of a healthy diet. 7. Natural sugar is better than added sugar. Foods containing natural sugars offer nutrients that keep your body healthy, provide fast yet stable energy, and keep your metabolism stable. While natural sugars in fruits come with fiber and nutrients, excessive consumption can still contribute to health issues. Moderation is key for all types of sugars. 8. Gluten-free means healthier. For those with gluten intolerance, avoiding gluten is essential. However, for others, a gluten-free diet may lack essential nutrients and fiber found in whole grains. Choosing to reintroduce gluten is a personal choice, and it is important to remember that you may see any range of symptoms occur. 9. Detox diets eliminate toxins. The body naturally detoxifies itself. Most detox diets lack scientific backing and may be ineffective or even harmful. Detox diets rarely identify the specific toxins they claim to remove, and evidence that they remove toxins at all is lacking. Your body can clear itself of most toxins through the liver, feces, urine, and sweat. 10. Breakfast. While it was once thought that eating breakfast was one of the most important factors in setting yourself up for a healthy day, research has shown that this might not be the case for most adults. So this was our today's video about nutrient myths. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.